One more MCQ related to mathematics from the reasoning part of the paper is given over here. The MCQ is in the form of a table comprising of 4 horizontal rows and 4 vertical columns. Different terms or numbers are given, but 2 numbers are missing. That means 2 terms are missing. So we have to determine the value of these two terms. We have to determine what number is over here and what number must be over here. So in order to solve this MCQ, we will have a look on the first row of terms. And when we have a look on the first row of terms, we see that when 2 is added to 9, we get 11. That means when first 2 terms are added, we get third term. And when first term is subtracted from the second term, that means when 2 is subtracted from 9, we get 7. That means we get fourth term. Let us see whether second row of terms also follows the same trend or not. See, 8 plus 5 gives 13. That means when first 2 terms of this row are added, we get the third term. Now, subtracting the first term from the second, that means subtracting 8 from 5, we get minus 3. That means we get fourth term over here also. That means this second row of terms also follows the same pattern which is followed by first row of terms. Now applying the same trend to these third and fourth row of terms, we will be able to determine these two missing numbers or missing terms. See, when 7 is added to missing term, we must get 10. That means the missing term over here must be equal to 3. So that when 3 is added to 7, we get 10. Now, subtracting the first term from the second, that means subtracting 7 from the term 3, we get minus 4. Then we get fourth term. Yes, this row of terms, that means third row of terms, also follows the same trend as is followed by first and second row of numbers. Now applying the same pattern to the fourth row of terms. So 6 when added to 4, we get 10. That means when first 2 terms are added, we get third term. Now subtracting first term from the second, that means when 6 is subtracted from 4, we get minus 2. So the missing term over here must be equal to minus 2. So the two missing terms in the table are plus 3 and minus 2. So we have to choose now from the 4 alternatives or from 4 options the correct one. B option is the correct one because in B option the first term is plus 3 and the second term is minus 3.